Hi, Classy fam! How are you today? So today, we are going to do Harry Potter class. Woo! And we're going to do two class. We're going to make Hogwarts House notebook first, and then some wand. And I have a challenge for you. If you enjoy this video, I will give you 5 seconds to like, comment, and subscribe. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And do it. So today we're going to do Harry Potter class. And so the first class we're going to do is make Hogwarts House notebook. So what you will need for this class, you will need notebook. I'm using competition notebook. Foam brushes, paint, and paint of the Hogwarts house. So, I'm going to do mine. So, as you can see, put this one to the side. So, now what we're going to do is protect the paper on the inside. We are going to use this soap piece, so no paper will go through. Or you can use cardboard, but I'm using what I have. And now, you take your washi tape and you can use any washi tape. And what we're going to do, we're going to first take off the side, like so, and we're going to take the house brown paint your house colors, and mine is Can You That? I can try to have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am a house of Ravenclaw. What house are you in? And what I'm going to do, and the pink line is going to be the gray part, and the blue is going to be the main part. So, I'm going to take the golden paint. I am painting the notebook in my house in color, in your homework house color. Right now. Okay, once your heart will heat up, you grab a towel and you hold one end and you make the handle. Very carefully, you grab your hot glue and gently hold it. Like so. I'm gonna show you how to choose the line within your butt and a spiral motion. Like so. Ta-da! And now you have to hold it and you have to paint it. Like so. It will take a lot of layers to get this looking nice with the hot glue. Like so. And add new paint. The thing you have to. So, I hope that's fun with me making this how my Ravenclaw notebook turned out. I never finished the second door, but this how my Ravenclaw one turned out. And here on the wand, Wingardium Leviosa. Oh, yep, I'm in this nice latest one. How nice it turned out in the home. And thank you for watching. Make sure you big thumbs up and comment below and comment on the stable or my Instagram comment and video you want to see or what Hogwarts house are you? What should I say? Comment below what Hogwarts house are you in? I'm in Ravenclaw. And yep. So please like, comment, subscribe, hit that big red button down there. Find it 50K by the end of the year and bye Classy Sam!